Why do some people seem to build wealth with ease, while others struggle their whole life, even with a decent income? It's not just about how much money you make. It's about what you do with the money you already have. Today, we're going deep into the money habits of the poor versus the rich. And I promise, some of these differences will shock you. We're not here to shame. We're here to grow together. Let's go. Part 1. Mindset, the root of all habits. Let's start with the core difference. Mindset. Poor money mindset. Money is evil. I'll never be rich. Saving is impossible. I deserve to treat myself now. Rich money mindset. Money is a tool. I can learn to manage money. Wealth is built, not lucked into. Discipline greater than instant gratification. One mindset keeps you surviving. The other pushes you to thrive. Part 2. Spending habits. Here's a big one. Poor habits. Spend first, save what's left if anything. Buy based on emotion. Chase brands for status. Ignore price per use. Rich habits: save, invest first. Spend what's left. Buy based on value. Choose function over flash. Think cost per use. A $100 jacket you wear 100 times equals $1 per use. The rich don't hate spending. They just spend differently. Part 3. Income usage. Poor income strategy. I made $3,000 this month. I can spend $3,000. Rich income strategy. I made $3,000. I'll live on $2,000 and invest the rest. The poor often grow expenses with income. The rich lock in a lifestyle and grow investments. This is called lifestyle creep, and it's deadly for your savings. Part 4. Budgeting habits. I don't have time to budget. Budgeting is for broke people. I'll just wing it. Budgeting gives me control. I tell my money where to go. A budget equals peace of mind. The rich treat a budget like a GPS. It tells them where they're headed and helps them correct the course when they drift. Part 5. Tools and tracking. No clue how much money is coming in or going out. Overdraft fees, late payments, doesn't track net worth. Uses tools like Mint, YNAB, Excel, or simple pen and paper. Automates savings and bill payments. Tracks progress monthly. What gets measured gets managed. Part 6. Saving habits. Poor, save what's left after spending. Rich, spend what's left after saving. Most poor habits treat saving like an afterthought. The rich treat it like a bill, non-negotiable. Start with just 10% of your income. Make it automatic, then increase over time. Part 7. Emergency funds. Poor, no savings, relies on credit cards for emergencies. Rich, has 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. Emergencies are inevitable, but they don't have to be financial disasters. The difference is preparation. Part 8. Learning habits. I hate reading. Finance is boring. I'll figure it out later. Reads books, listens to podcasts, follows experts. Invest time in financial literacy. Always curious. Rich habits include lifelong learning. Start small, 1 podcast or book a month. Part 9. Investing habits. Poor, investing is risky. It's only for the rich. Rich, not investing is riskier. The poor see investing as optional. The rich see it as essential. Even $100 a month into an index fund can grow into 6 figures. The habit matters more than the amount. Part 10. Talking about money. Poor, money is taboo, avoids the topic. Rich, talks openly with family, partner, friends. Money is like any skill. It gets better the more you practice. Start the conversation, normalize it. Talk about saving, investing, budgeting. Make it a habit. Part 11. Decision making. Can I afford the monthly payment? What's the total cost? Does it align with my goals? The poor focus on now. The rich focus on the long game. Before a purchase, the rich ask, does this help me grow? Does this solve a problem? Is this a need or a want? Part 12. Control versus convenience. Poor pays for convenience without checking the cost. Rich pays for value, not just ease. Example. Poor habit equals $25 daily food delivery. Rich habit equals $5 meal prep and using the savings to invest. You don't have to be extreme, just aware. Part 13. Taxes. Poor doesn't plan for taxes. Rich uses legal strategies to lower taxes. Taxes are your biggest expense, more than food, rent, or gas. Learn how to legally pay less. Max out retirement accounts. Track deductions. Plan ahead. Part 14. Get rich quick versus get rich slow. Poor looks for fast results. Lottery, crypto hype, day trading. Rich trusts the process. Index funds, long-term growth, business building. Wealth is a slow cooker, not a microwave. Part 15. Decluttering finances. Poor, hundreds of accounts, cards, subscriptions. Rich, keeps things simple and streamlined. Clarity equals control. Simplify your finances so you can actually manage them. Part 16. Time habits. Poor, wastes hours daily on social media or distractions. Rich, uses time intentionally on learning, building, planning. You can always earn more money. You can't earn more time. Protect it like your most valuable asset. Part 17. Repetition equals wealth. The rich don't do fancy things once. They do simple things consistently. Budgeting, saving, investing, reviewing goals. That's it. Wealth isn't about complexity. It's about discipline plus time. Reflection break. Which habits do you have? Let's take a moment. No judgment. Which habits do you already follow? Which ones need work? Even 1 or 2 small changes this month can change your entire year or decade. You're not stuck. You're just one habit away from your breakthrough. Real story. From survival to stability. One of our subscribers messaged last month, single mom, $2,000 per month income, drowning in debt. She started with tracking spending, cooking at home, canceling subscriptions, reading 1 finance book a month. 6 months later, paid off 2 credit cards, saved her first $1,000, started investing $50 per month. She didn't earn more. She just changed her habits. Now she's calm, focused, empowered. Your action plan. Start today. Here's what to do right now. Choose 3 rich money habits to adopt this week. Track your spending for 7 days. Automate $20 per week to savings. Block 15 minutes a day for learning. Watch more videos from Big Money Booster. Final words. Habits create results. Rich habits create freedom. It's not about being perfect. It's about being intentional. And you're already ahead, just by being here. So take that next step. Like this video to help more people discover it. Subscribe to Big Money Booster for weekly or daily personal finance content that's simple, smart, and real. Share this with someone who's ready to grow their money habits. Drop a comment. Which poor habit are you breaking first? Let's talk. Thanks for spending time with me today. Now go boost your money mindset, one habit at a time.